Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a herbal hand wash, something which is based on all natural ingredients, which is very moisturizing. At the same time, it has good antiseptic, antibacterial properties as well. So for this we have a herbal water here which has a mixture of neem leaves, hibiscus. It has a little bit of rita, shikakai for conditioning the hands. Then I've taken a little bit of arnica. Again, this is a very good antibacterial agent. So a blend of all these herbs are there in this herbal water here. And here I have a blend of surfactants for the lather. Your Rita does give a little bit of lather, but it's not sufficient enough, when you're washing your hands. So to enhance the lather, I have taken a blend of surfactants here. And here I have my oil phase, in which I have a lot of skin loving ingredients so that you don't feel the dryness on your hands after you have washed it. So now we'll quickly go ahead and start with the making. I will heat my water and my oil phase and we'll make a hand wash. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated my oil phase and the water phase, and now we'll go ahead and combine them together and we'll give it a good blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended both the phases here, and here this is how my solution looks. And here I've also heated down my surfactant phase, and now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add the surfactant into our mixture here, into this creamy mixture, and we'll leave it to completely blend in together. Okay, so after mixing everything in together, the surfactant phase along with the creamy mixture, mixture is completely cooled down now, and this has got a lovely viscosity, lovely thickness. And since this is completely cooled down, I'll go ahead and add my preservative to this, and we'll go ahead and give this a good mix. So this is it with our lovely herbal hand wash. This does not contain any chemicals. It is completely natural, all natural. It has an amazing lather to it. I'll just show you all how the lather of this comes out. So we'll just take a little bit of the hand wash here. We'll add some water. Okay, so this is the lather that you will get, the beautiful rich lather with our hand wash, with our all natural hand wash, sulfate free, paraben free, and with no other harmful chemicals. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos with you all, if you all have any specific videos that you all want me to share, please mention it in the comments box, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.